What are you doing? You eating your foot? Does that taste good? Is that good jam? Toe jam with the toes? He's pretty good at entertaining himself, I must say. I don't have to do anything to entertain him. Gee, I wish I could do all that stuff with my legs and my toes. Making fart noises. That's funny. I guess you're never too young. Camden. Cam. Camden. You having fun over there? Camden. You being silly. Oh my goodness. This is funny. This is entertainment. You don't need to go to the movies to see this kind of stuff. This is funny. You are too funny, Camden. Making Daddy laugh. Oh man, you're too much, buddy. You're too much. Daddy loves you.